You've never talked to him? He?
She.
Oh, yeah.
As a possible reason for her actions.
I think when the stories came out
She's
about
our age
Susan
now.
Smith's childhood, I really do think people felt sorry for her. Her father committing suicide, then the stepfather who molested her. I think there was sort of this empathy, in a way, for her.
Susan's psychiatrist diagnoses her with borderline personality disorder, attributed to a childhood tragedy and sexual abuse.
Borderline personality disorder is a severe, disabling condition where out of an intense fear of abandonment, the individual experiences serious disruptions in
David, do you want to talk to him?
in their
It was a freaking